I may not be the best drawer, but I am good at reference drawing.
Yeah, I drew this up during math class yesterday. I was bored, so I just, when no one was looking, opened up my Chromebook and, pulled up a picture of the iconic frame in Megamind. And I drew it. And I didn't really know what to put up here, so I just put up a no talking Ben. It's dumb. But honestly, the drawing's pretty good. I definitely expected it to come out much worse than it actually did, and yeah. Just thought I'd share, because, no talking Ben.